Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to enter a promo code on PrettyLittleThing. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to head on over to PrettyLittleThing.com. So I'm just going to type this in the URL section here. Alright. Now from here, for this demonstration, I'm just going to put a random product into my cart. So I'm going to click on, say, shoes. I'm going to choose these ones here, the wide fit ones. Obviously not for myself, but just for demonstration. Choose a size 5. Now I'm going to add this to the bag. And from here, I'm going to click on view bag. Oh, it disappeared. So I'm going to click on the bag icon, top right hand corner. Double check your order. Click on proceed to checkout. And now once you get to the proceed to checkout, look for an option that says promo code or discount code. Alright, looks like I need to log in here, so I'm just going to add in my email address. Alright, I've logged in, put in my details. Alright, continue. So we basically want to get to the checkout section. Alright, I'm on the checkout section here where you add in your payment. So here you go. So where it says coupon code, under there, put in your promo or coupon code, click apply, and whatever that amounts to will be subtracted to your grand total. And then once you've done that, click on continue to add in your credit card, PayPal, etc. details.